Alright, this is a video demo of this Sony TAN-8550 V-Fet amplifier. The air conditioner is going on, so there's a bit of a hum in the background. That's just the dumb air conditioner vent. The meters are a little hard to see on this because they're driven by an incandescent light, but you can see the meters move. But yeah, let's just do a video demo and demonstrate that both channels are working and that it's working well.
That you need it. You remember the other night?
Well, there you go. Not much to demonstrate on a straight power amplifier, but it's running well. Meters are working, and that's that.